You do?
And I want to kill his girlfriend.
Who is his girlfriend?
Man, my girlfriend get on you. She probably will kill him. And your girlfriend will hurt, and I will kill her hard. And I will hit her sister.
Our champion.
Yeah, so she kills me.
Dealing with foreign language.
I don't know her sister.
Yeah, the first time I was in Italy, I remember.
Like the lady on that city. Oh.
I wanted to order
That was not hard.
Quit lying. So be crying.
That was not hard.
Quit dancing. Quit. Hey, you went not.
Look, nigga, I got all this cash. No, I don't look like this thing.
Which means I said I wanted to make some
I won't even ask you to continue the story. I don't want to.
Yeah, listen, look at me. I got a cash.
For my daddy. No, I'm probably supposed to listen. Probably for my sister, promise. Probably, not just. Yeah. If you were no sister, you wouldn't have it. You would have been bad like her and having the same skin like her.
Sarah?
I don't have the people out stuff. Shut the hell up!
artificial heart with the help
Can I come to the house?
earliest boyhood.
Please?
Ed Lindbergh. Charles Lindbergh.
Can I? Shut up, bitch.
Sarah?
Shut up, fucker face.
All of immortal honor.
Shut up, motherfucker.
Like not a
You eat
charity.
dick. You eat dick. No, you eat dick. You eat some pussy. Damn right, you said I ain't pussy. Damn, I'll get that pussy and tie it up. What the fuck that mean?
Including this up to 90% fatal virus. 1976.
Shut up, I'll get my dog on you. I would get my dog on you. I would took him out at my daddy's job. The girlfriends don't play. Now what, you don't got nothing to say about your old ugly old dog? Cause my dog can beat up us neighbor dog.
And National Cherry Pie Day.
Us neighbor.
I'm engaged. Damn neighbor dog. My dog's too big. My dog's too heavy. You can't pick my dog. The girlfriends can fight. And my dog too. My dog can fight. Girlfriends got them hands. Girlfriends got them hands. I got these hands. Birds like my dog.
Stop y'all for y'all be crying. Business, but
I don't care if I'm laying down or not. You still ain't no baby. She ain't gonna get them keys. Where? She better get on my last. Shut up. Shut up, nigga. You. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck face. Shut up. Fuck ass nigga.
In 2011, police indicated this movie stars
Fuck you, A.
just off the yacht Splendor.
that makes sense.
Hell yeah, it didn't make sense. Hell yeah, Johnny. If you shut the fuck up, I'll put your little ass on lunch mode. I will put your little ass on toilet. Shut up, I'll cut over you.
Reassemble a shotgun before you could read.
Shotgun, motherfucker.
That's a heart.
Man, that's the old-fashioned way. Shotgun, yo, I got your dick. AK-47 no ass. Now what the fuck you gotta say, nigga? I would get my daddy gun. That shit is a BB gun. I don't give a fuck. That shit don't work. Hell yeah, fuck. Shut your basketball ass up. Shut your fucking ass up. Probably everybody got put an ass in your head. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Look at that for these brothers of war. Nigga, I'll got this ass on you.
My car title is
Shut up about my follow ass up. You ain't never got money, bitch! Bitch, I do! No, you don't, bitch! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up, bitch! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up, bitch! Shut the fuck up! You shut your fuck up, fuck up, fuck up, fuck up, fuck up! Shut your Nicki Minaj fake booty ass up! Shut your Nicki dick ass up! Bitch, you watching? Bitch, shut up, bitch, you watching Nicki Minaj? You got that big ass fake booty. You never heard what? Nicki Minaj, that's your only favorite rapper? Nicki Minaj ain't shit. She a little ass bitch. Like your little ass. Nigga, fuck you. Shut the fuck up, I'll mess your fucking teeth up. I will make your fucking mouth up. I will tear them lips up. Shut up. I got your lips off. I'll slap you in your face. Shut your face with the burn up. I will do you like that again. I will do you like that again. Hitting hard.
All turds at stake.
And your granny will be rubbing you.
We have an army of lovers for you, followed by a
Big ass nigga. Fucking.
Claudia.
May have altered states for
You don't shut your ass up. It look like you got a big ass mole on your face.
Claudia.
That's why I'm gonna get my daddy tattoo. Bitch, shut up. Bitch, you shut your fucking mouth. Shut up.
Old North
Shut your tongue out mouth up.
Free. And
Get that. Get that. Now what the fuck you gotta say, bitch? You ain't got nothing to say. Nigga, you talking about I got the tag, nigga. Look at that fucking ass. Look at my fucking ass. Bitch, I got dead. I get cash for A. I get cash for Big A.
Brandon, what is 300? That's it.
I get cash for my daddy.
There.
That's dirty as me. My daddy could beat you up real hard like me.
So it is. Here is
Yesterday he was beating you up on Fun Drive. Yeah, that shit was beating you up on Fun Drive. That shit didn't even hurt. That shit didn't even hurt. So you need to shut your fat ass up. Shut your dick ass up. Shut your full of shit ass up. Shut your pussy ass up. You a pussy. You a pussy, nigga. Fuck you. Fuck you.
The Rock. Plays
Fuck you. Fuck you. Get you little bitch.
John Sales.
Stop, don't hit her.
Fuck you.
Star Daryl Hannah.
You little ass Mexican bitch. With your, you love Justin Bieber with your little gay ass. You love Justin Bieber. You love Justin Bieber. Now your ass don't got nothing to say. Why the fuck you running? Why the fuck you running, little bitch? Huh? I don't give a damn about fucking that shit there, huh? Superman punch, bitch! Say this bitch is like nothing. Shit. That's why, quit, Eddie. Move, Eddie. It's been bitch, get your little ass up. I'm ready. No, fight. Now you got a damn, bitch, got it all that good.
Get out.
I'll block your little ass.
Get down. Get down. Get down.